Dear students, let's see this question. A particle of mass 1 kg subjected to a force which depends on the position as F is equal to minus k xi cap plus yj cap with k is equal to 1. At a time t is equal to 0, the particle position r bar is equal to 1 by root 2 I cap plus root 2 j cap and its velocity v is equal to minus root 2 I cap plus root 2 j cap plus 2 by pi k cap. Let Vx and Vy denotes the x and y component of the particle velocity. Ignore gravity. When z is equal to 0.5 meters, the value of x Vy minus y Vx is. This question is given in JW Advanced 2022 based on vectors, and it is a nice question actually. Now we'll see how to solve. Given mass is given m is equal to 1 kg and k is given k is equal to 1 and force is given as F is equal to minus k xi cap plus y j cap is given, and if you substitute k value 1 we get F is equal to minus xi cap plus y j cap. If you see the force F is given in terms of x and y, that means F purely belongs to x and y components only. So in this situation I will write Fx is equal to minus x and Fy is equal to minus y. Fx is equal to minus x, Fy is equal to minus y. We know F is equal to ma, so m ax can written as minus x, m ax can written as minus x, m ay can written as minus y. Mass of the particle is given 1, so we can write simply ax is equal to minus x and ay is equal to minus y. While seeing this expression ax and ay, the motion of the particle is clearly in simple harmonic motion. Motion of the particle is in SHM. How we know? How we know? Here ax and ay is in terms of minus x. So whenever the acceleration is the negative of the displacement, absolutely the particle executed in SHM. We know in SHM condition is there. In SHM, A is equal to minus omega square x. A is equal to minus omega square x. Here, if we can able to express any expression in terms of A, which is equal to minus omega square x, the motion of the particle is in SHM. Motion of the particle is in SHM. So here also the same. Ax is equal to minus x is there. Ay is equal to minus y. Omega is equal to 1. We can consider omega is equal to 1. So this particle comes under SHM. So in SHM we have position of the particle x is equal to a sin omega t plus phi 1 and y can written as I will write b sin omega t plus phi 2. These are the general equation which represents the position of the particle in SHM. So we write here x value is there, y value is there, differentiate with respect to time. We get Vx can written as dx by dt, which can written as a omega cos omega t plus phi 1, and Vy can written as dy by dt, which can written as b omega cos omega t plus phi 1. We know the differentiation, right? Sin becomes cos, and again here omega t is there. For omega t, omega will come. For both, I differentiate. And now we will see what he is asking. He is asking that the value of xvy minus ypx. He is asking that from the question. What we have to find? We have to find xvy minus yvx. We will see. What is x here? A sin omega t plus phi 1. Vy is this one. B omega cos omega t plus phi 2 minus, I will write minus here, minus y Vx. What is y? B sin omega t plus phi 2 into Vx. Vx is a omega cos omega t plus phi 1. So now we'll see here x Vy minus y Vx is equal to here a b omega, a b omega. I will get common. So you will get a b omega will come. If you see here, this is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Formula sin a minus b. I will write here sin a minus b. So omega to omega t cancel. So ultimately we will get x Vy minus y Vx and written as a b omega sin phi 1 minus phi 2. Sin phi 1 minus phi 2. So I will erase and I will complete this question. Now see. See here, we got x3y minus ypx is equal to ab omega sin phi 1 minus phi 2 we got. Again we will write x vy minus y vx and written as ab omega sin a minus b formula. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. I will write this one is first expression. And in the question, if you observe clearly, what he is saying is at a time t is equal to 0, the position of the particle is given and velocity is given. The position of the particle and velocity is given. Now see, at t is equal to 0, we have x value is x is equal to a sin omega t plus phi 1 we got. At t is equal to 0, x1 is given as 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 is equal to a sin omega t 0 phi 1. So we'll write sin phi 1 can be written as 1 by a root 2. Sin phi 1 can be written as 1 by a root 2. I will write here sin phi 1 can be written as 1 by a root 2. And now see here, x value I got, y value is given as b sin omega t plus phi 2. So y value is how much is given? Root 2. Root 2 is equal to b sin omega t. At t is equal to 0, omega t is 0. So become directly, we will get phi 2. So sin phi 2 can be written as 1 by b root 2. I will write here sin phi 2 can be written as 1 by b root 2. B root 2. And again Vx is equal to a omega cos omega t plus phi 1. Vx is given as, Vx already we got a omega cos omega t plus phi 1. And velocity component, what is Vx here? Minus root 2. Minus root 2 is equal to a omega cos omega t again 0, it will be phi 1. So here cos phi 1 can be written as minus root 2 by a omega. Cos phi 1 is minus root 2 by a omega. I will write here cos phi 1 is equal to minus root 2 by a omega. And similarly I will write further Vy is equal to b omega cos omega t plus phi 2. B omega cos omega t plus phi 2. So Vy is given as root 2. Root 2 is equal to b omega cos phi 2. Cos phi 2 can be written as root 2 by b omega. Cos phi 2 I will write here. Cos phi 2 can be written as root 2 by b omega. So if you see here, I got sin phi 1, sin phi 2, cos phi 1, cos phi 2. Here, if you see the first expression is in terms of sin phi 1, sin phi 2, cos phi 1, cos phi 2. So I will substitute this value and I will try to find the value of x Vy minus y Vx. Now we'll see. Now we'll see xy minus yvx can written as a b omega sin phi 1. Sin phi 1 can written as 1 by a root 2. Cos phi 2. Cos phi 2 is root 2 by b omega minus cos phi 1. Cos phi 1 is, I got minus 2. Minus root 2 by a omega sin phi 2 1 by b root 2 is got. So here a b omega is there. I will take common. So here x by minus y bx can written as ab omega by ab omega. Here root 2. Here root 2 is there. So root 2 by root 2 I will write. Minus into minus plus. This one root 2 by, just check again. Here sin phi 2 value just I am checking again. Y is equal to b sin omega t plus phi by 2. So y is given as root 2. Root 2 is equal to b sin t is equal to 0. T is equal to 0. We will get sin phi 2. So sin phi 2 can be written as root 2 by b. Sin phi 2 is root 2 by b. Sin phi 2 is root 2 by b. So here sin phi 2 is root 2 by b. So now we get root 2 into root 2, right? So here we write ABB, this one get cancelled. So 1 plus root 2 into root 2 is 2. So here xy minus yvx is equal to 3, which is the answer. How much you get this? 3 meters square per second is the right answer. And it is a nice question and conceptually very good. And it is given in GW Advanced 2022. I hope you understood. Thank you.